Imagine waking up one day and your crypto wallet is empty. No warning, no recovery, no support. That's exactly what's happening to thousands of people using exchanges and hot wallets. But today, I'm going to show you something that changes the game completely. The Ellipal X Crypto Card Cold Wallet. And right now, because of Ellipal 8th anniversary, they've launched a limited edition X card, and trust me, this is not something you want to miss. Let's be honest, if your crypto is on Binance, KuCoin, or any exchange, you don't actually own it. If your funds are in a mobile wallet, it's still connected to the internet, and that means hackers can access it, malware can steal it, one mistake, charge, everything gone. Crypto is about freedom, but without security, it becomes a risk. That's where Ellipal X Crypto Card Cold Wallet comes in. This is not a normal wallet. This is 100% offline security. No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no USB, completely air-gapped, meaning hackers literally have zero way to reach your funds. And here's the crazy part. It's not a bulky device like old hardware wallets. It's a slim card. Like you can carry it in your wallet like an ATM card. Simple, clean, powerful. With Ellipal X Card, you get military-grade security. Fully offline cold storage supports multiple cryptocurrencies, super easy to use, even beginners can handle it. No cables, no connections, no risk. And the best part? You control your private keys, not any exchange, not any company, only you. Now listen carefully. Because of their 8th anniversary, Ellipal has launched a limited edition X Crypto Card. Once it's gone, it's gone. No restock, no second chance, and people are already grabbing it fast. Ellipal is already trusted by thousands of crypto users worldwide. They've built a strong reputation for security, simplicity, reliability. This isn't some random product. This is a serious upgrade for anyone holding crypto, if you're serious about protecting your crypto. Don't wait, get your Ellipal X Crypto Card Cold Wallet now. Link is in the pinned comment, also in the comment section below. Click it, check it out, and secure your future. Remember, you worked hard for your money. Don't let one hack, one mistake, or one platform failure take it away. Take control, stay safe, and upgrade to Ellipal X today. Your crypto isn't safe on exchanges. Get the Ellipal X Cold Wallet now. Link in pinned comment. Don't miss.